Hey everyone! If you love rich, flavorful curry but hate spending hours in the kitchen, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 6 pressure cookers that make curry cooking faster, easier, and tastier than ever. From smart Wi-Fi models to budget-friendly picks, these cookers are perfect for tech lovers, home cooks, and fitness fans alike. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest smart kitchen reviews. Number 1. Instant Pot Pro 8QT 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. Let's start strong with the Instant Pot Pro 8QT, a powerhouse for curry lovers. I personally love how this 10-in-1 cooker handles everything, from pressure cooking to sautéing spices perfectly before sealing in flavor. The large 8-quart capacity is ideal if you're cooking for family or meal prepping. What stands out is the upgraded inner pot with handles, making it easier to move and stir thick curries. It also has customizable cooking programs, which is great if you're experimenting with different curry recipes. The consistent pressure ensures tender meat and perfectly cooked vegetables every time. Plus, the safety features are top-notch, so you can cook with confidence. If you want versatility, durability, and rich curry results, this is easily one of the best investments for your kitchen. Number 2. Crock-Pot 6-quart Cook and Carry Pressure Cooker. Next up is the Crock-Pot 6-quart Cook and Carry, a fantastic option if you want simplicity and portability. I really like how user-friendly this model is, perfect for beginners who want to make delicious curry without overthinking settings. The 6-quart size is great for medium-sized families, and the locking lid makes it ideal for taking your curry to gatherings or events. It offers multiple cooking functions, including slow cooking, which is amazing for deep-flavored curries. While it's not as tech-heavy as others, it gets the job done reliably. The digital controls are straightforward and cleanup is easy thanks to the non-stick pot. If you're after a dependable, no-fuss cooker that still delivers rich curry flavor, this crock pot is a solid choice. Number 3. Instant Pot 6QT Rio 7-in-1 Multi-Cooker. The Instant Pot 6QT Rio is a modern upgrade that blends performance with sleek design. I found this model perfect for everyday curry cooking, especially if you want something compact but powerful. It offers 7 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, steaming, and sautéing, everything you need for authentic curry preparation. The interface is intuitive, which makes it easy to select the right settings, even if you're new. One thing I really appreciate is how evenly it cooks spices and ingredients, enhancing flavor depth. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for small to medium households. It's also energy efficient, making it a great option for fitness-focused users who meal prep regularly. If you want reliability, modern features, and consistent curry results, the Rio is a great pick. Number 4. Comfy 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. If you're on a budget but still want versatility, the Comfy 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is a hidden gem. I was surprised by how many features this cooker offers at such an affordable price. With 12 cooking presets, you can easily switch between curry styles, from creamy to spicy. The compact design makes it perfect for smaller kitchens, but it still packs enough power to cook meals quickly. I like how beginner-friendly it is. Just press a button and let it do the work. It also includes safety features like lid locking and pressure control, which is great for peace of mind. While it may not have premium build quality, it performs impressively well. For anyone starting their curry cooking journey, this is a fantastic entry-level option. Number 5. Presto 02141 6-quart Electric Pressure Cooker. The Presto 02141 is all about simplicity and efficiency. I recommend this for anyone who wants a straightforward pressure cooker that delivers consistent curry results. It doesn't have a ton of fancy features, but sometimes that's exactly what you need. The automatic pressure regulation ensures your curry cooks evenly without constant monitoring. The 6-quart size is practical for everyday use, whether you're cooking dal, chicken curry, or vegetable stew. I also appreciate how durable and reliable this cooker is. It's built to last. The control panel is easy to understand, making it ideal for beginners or older users. If you're looking for a no-nonsense cooker that focuses on performance and reliability, the Presto 02141 is a dependable choice. Number 6. Instant Pot Pro Max Wi-Fi Smart Pressure Cooker. Finally, for the tech lovers out there, the Instant Pot Pro Max Wi-Fi Smart is a game changer. This is easily one of the smartest pressure cookers I've used. You can control and monitor your curry cooking right from your phone, which is incredibly convenient. It integrates with apps that provide guided recipes, perfect if you're trying new curry dishes. The performance is top tier, delivering perfectly cooked meals with deep, rich flavors. It also features advanced safety systems and precision cooking controls. The build quality feels premium, and the interface is sleek and modern. If you love smart home gadgets and want ultimate control over your cooking, this is the best high-tech option on the list. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our next top picks.